Hello students, myself JYOTHI.I.S.B.Sc, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with JYOTHI. It's a class for 8th standard students, CBSE, especially for Cbse Ncert, the chapter 9, Algebraic expressions and identities. In that, the first one, identify the terms and their coefficients for the following. Here, some algebraic expressions are given. In the first line, some algebraic expressions are given. We have to write the terms and also the coefficients of those terms. Before knowing that, before writing that, let us know about what are terms and what are coefficients. Terms are those which are the product of the constants and the variable. Otherwise, we can say that the terms are the products of the factors. It may be a product of a numerical constant or a variable, or a constant or a variable. Therefore, we can consider as term is a product of factors. Understood? You understood? Here, this is complete one is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is made up of the combination of combination of the algebraic terms which are separated by plus or minus symbol. But in these, the algebraic terms are 5x, y, z square and 3xy. We know that terms are the product of factors and product of the factors. Factors means it may be the product of a variable or a constant or a variable or a single constant. Here, this is 5x, y, z square is a term and 3xy is another term. Along with symbol you have to write. First one is 5x, y, z square is a one term in this. Here this is 3xy is the another term. Along with symbol you have to write minus 3xy is another term. It is an algebraic expression which is made up of two algebraic terms. Understood? Those are 5x, y, z square minus 3xy. Here you have to find the coefficients. What do you mean by the coefficients? Coefficients are nothing but the numerical coefficients or otherwise which is a constant which is present in an algebraic term or numerical constant which is present in an algebraic term. If it is considered as an algebraic term, in this the numerical coefficient is 5. Under the coefficients, we have to write 5. Understood? Here, this is an algebraic term. In this, the numerical coefficient or constant present in that algebraic term is minus 3. You have to write under numerical coefficients or coefficients minus 3. Okay, now you can tell us, isn't it? You understood about what are algebraic terms and what are numerical terms. You can easily tell that which one is, how many terms are there in this? Yes, there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. In the first one is, as I said, algebraic term may be a constant, isn't it? Here only one constant is given. Therefore, I am telling that an algebraic term may be a constant, may be a variable or a factor which is formed by the product of variable and a constant. Understood? Here, terms are, first write what are terms? X and x square. We have to write the numerical coefficients of this. Here for this term, 1 is there. Here the numerical coefficient which is present is 1 only. Here x is there. There is no coefficient behind that. That means there is 1 is there behind is that. If there is no coefficient behind any variable, You should understood that there is 1. Here also x squared, 1 is there as a numerical coefficient. You should understood that. Next, here how many algebraic terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. Which are they? Those are 4x y square. And next minus 4 x square, y square and z square. And one more is there, that is z square. You came to know that these are the algebraic terms. You have to identify the numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients are nothing but the constants which are present in the algebraic terms. Understood? Yes, the constants are in this, the 4 here, minus 4 and here 1. That's all. Next, in the next problem, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Isn't it? You came to understand how to identify the terms. Write those terms here. 3 minus PQ, QR, and the last one minus RP. Okay. Here. Now identify the coefficients of these. Coefficients are nothing but the numerical constants. That is 3 is here, minus PQ. Minus PQ is nothing but minus 1. Isn't it? For PQ, there is no numerical constants. You should understood that there is a 1 along with the symbol. Here also 1 and here also minus 1. These are the terms and the coefficients we can identify. Next, still 2 more problems are there in your exercise. Those are 5th and 6th one. Let us know how to write for those. Those are x by 2 plus y by 2. 5th one, x by 2 plus y by 2 minus 6y. Next, 6th one, 0.38 minus 0.6 AB plus 0.5 B. We have to write the terms. We have to identify the terms and also the coefficients. Terms and coefficients. Okay. Here terms are 1, 2, 3. Those are we are writing x by 2 and y by 2 and minus 6y. For this the numerical coefficients are for x by 2. Numerical coefficient is here by 2 is there. It is nothing but half into x. X by 2 is nothing but what we are writing? Half into x. And here y by 2 can be written as half into y. Okay, now you can understand which one is the coefficient here. Numerical coefficient is here is 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2. In the minus xy it is minus 1. Understood how we are taking? The x by 2 can be written as half into x and y by 2 can be written as y by 2 into y. And the new coefficients of numerical coefficient is 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. In the minus xy there is minus 1. And here we are writing those algebraic terms. Those are terms and coefficients. Yes, those are 0.38 and here 0.6 AB. 0.6 AB. These are the algebraic terms we are writing. We are separating it from the expressions, isn't it, students? Now you can tell the terms are these. We have to write the coefficients. Coefficients are those. You can write it 0.3 minus, we have to take minus 0.6 is that minus 0.6 and in the last 5. These are all the numerical coefficients. Understood, students? Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.